Hey friends, this is Be Unto Your Name in the key of G, and I've kind of stripped this down to the absolute basic chords for you so you can play along and sing along with me. All right, so make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, I do have the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you, and it'll make a lot more sense as we get into it. All right, so let's go through the chords that are in this song. We have G, C, D, then they throw in an F chord, and an A minor and an E minor. Okay, so those 6 chords. Let's go through those. We look for the group of 3 black notes, and if you play every other note, G, B, D, that is a G chord, okay? And then I guess right next door is your F chord. So if you scoot down one set of notes there, that's your F chord. F, A, C. Okay, so that's our F and G. And then move up here to this set of 2 black notes, and the C note is right there. Play every other note there, and we have a C chord, okay? And then move up one set of notes and pick up this black note in the middle. And we have a D, F sharp, A, and that is a triangle shape. If that helps you to think of that chord as a triangle, that helps simplify it for me. So D chord there, and then one set of notes up, and you're in the E minor position. E, G, B. Okay. Oh, I forgot the A minor. I apologize. Okay. Come down here. A, C, E. Okay. So let's review. We have F, G, A minor. There it is. C, D triangle, and E minor. Alrighty, so let's try to find a position that this left hand can kind of camp out the whole song and not have to really move out of position and figure out, lose our place, so to speak. We're going to put pinky on G, line up our 5 fingers. That's what is going to feel comfortable for me. So we're going to play single notes in our bass hand. So when we play this F chord, we're just going to play single F chord down here. F note, I should say. Okay, F, G to G, A minor to A, okay, C to C, D, we're just going to open our thumb up. See, I'm just playing that D, I'm just moving my thumb open. And then our E minor, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to swoop open here. That feels comfortable for you. If you'd rather kind of camp out here and go down and play your F and your G when you need to, you do what feels good for you there, okay? Let's see, so the E to E minor. All right, so let's talk about the rhythm that the 2 hands are going to merge together doing. So this song is written in 3/4 time signature. So it's a simple ratio I do called 1-to-3 ratio, and that just looks like this. Together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right. Pretty simple. You can practice that on any of the chords. Together, right, right, together, right, right. Just get your hand used to playing that. Okay. All right. So I'm going to play through verse 1 and sing along so you can see how it sounds when we add in some vocals, and I'll slow it down a bit. We are a moment. You are forever. Lord of the ages. God before time. We are a vapor, you are eternal, Lord everlasting, reigning on high. And it merges into that chorus, which is beautiful. So you could just kind of see I'm going from chord to chord, doing this nice marching rhythm. It's a good foundation to play a song. And what's nice is I try to, on my chord sheets, I write the chord above the word or the syllable in which the chord should change. And hopefully you can learn to anticipate that chord change coming up. So let's go slower through verse 1. Verse 1 and 2 are going to be the exact same. So that's 2/3 of your song. Okay, so let's go through starting out with G chord there. We are a D chord. Thumb is just going to open up here. Moment, A minor. You are for E minor. Ever. Okay, C chord. Lord of the G, ages, F chord, God before, D, time, that's that triangle shape there. Okay, G, third line, we are a, D, vapor, A minor, you are E, opened up to that E minor, eternal, C, love ever, G, lasting, F chord, raining on, D, okay, so that's it for verse 1. That's going to be the same. Let's also talk about any patterns. When you notice patterns in your music, it helps take out some of the overwhelm. So in this, the verse lines 1 and 3 are the same. Lines 2 and 4 are the same, okay? And verse 1 and 2 are identical. So that has that A, B pattern, just like poems have, okay? So notice that in your music. Let's jump into that chorus. The first 3 lines are the same. And then the last 2 lines are the same. So really this song is quite simple in how the chords are kind of laid out for the chorus and the verses. Let's start out with that E minor for the chorus. We're just opening our thumb to the E there, okay? Holy, C, holy, G, Lord God, D chord, mighty, repeat, E minor, worthy, C, is the G, Lamb who was, D, slain, E minor, highest, C, praises, G, honor and D, glory. Okay, here's these 2 lines are going to line up here, A minor, be an E minor, to your D, name, repeat, be an E minor, D. Okay, so remove that left hand altogether. Maybe just play your right hand only for going through the chords. Just remember that verses have that line pattern repeating, 1 and 3 and 2 and 4 are the same, and verses 1 and 2 are identical, right? So that takes out a lot of that overwhelm if you could just break it into sections. I'm going to play it beginning to end so you can play along with me. If you goof up, just find your next chord that you can jump in and have a lot of fun. Here we go. We are a moment, you are forever, Lord of the ages, God before time. We are a vapor, you are eternal, love everlasting, reigning on high. Be unto your name, be unto your name. We are the broken, you are the healer, Jesus Redeemer, mighty to save. You are the loved song we'll sing forever, bowing before you, blessing your name. Holy, holy Lord God Almighty, worthy